Darth Vader's a bad boy. Yes, Darth Vader's a bad boy.
Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker's good. See, that's Darth Vader. He's bad. I'm sorry, but he is bad. See, he's good. Luke Skywalker's good. He's bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Darth Vader's bad. He's not a good boy. Okay. We'll talk about it later when you're older.